Hey guys, Tech Made Easy, and this is a quick one, not sponsored, but I started noticing that I was getting a buildup in the dryer. As you know, that can create a fire hazard. Now, in the past, I used to clear it out with this tube here. I'd connect it to a vacuum. It basically just kind of goes around, if you have like a canister vacuum or something like that. And then this goes inside the dryer and you just move it around. Now, I have a Dyson, so I said, I wonder if there's something out there for the Dyson. And there was. It basically comes with this adapter and it connects to this hose. And this works with the Dyson V15. It works with the Dyson V10. I'll put the other models up on the screen. It's not going to work with the outsized models to my knowledge. And I'll put links in the description. But guys, I cleaned all this out of there. And this is how easy it is. I'll go ahead and show you real quick how it works. Real quick before I do the demo, when you go on Amazon, you'll see that they list the V7 and the V8 also. And I don't think this is compatible. I remember my V7 and my V8 having a different adapter, so just be careful. Obviously, it does say free returns. I think you have to have Amazon Prime for that. But this will work with the V10, the V11, the V12, and 15. Let's check the demo out. So here's my Dyson V15 Detect. All right, pull that piece out. Here's my Dyson V10. All right, no problem. Fits right in there, locks in place. Does it work with a V7 or a V8? I just don't know. I don't have those anymore. But I'm just showing you this, letting you know. And again, Amazon says there's free returns right now on that item. I do believe you have to have Prime. So just wanted to let you know. So I just take this hose with this adapter, right? Like a Dyson adapter. Connect it, locks in place. Now on the Dyson V15 that I have, I can actually put it on medium, I can put it on eco, I can put it on boost. Boost will drain the battery pretty quick, but it's pretty powerful. Let me try medium for a minute. Again, nothing's going to come out. And by the way, I'm using this light. It's like a magnet light. I'll put that in the links also. But you take this, turn it on medium, and you just get in, and you can get all the way in on the bottom. You can get in the corners. With the light, you can really see. But if you use that boost mode, by the way, let me show you that. It's loud. All right, put it on boost, and listen to this power. So pretty loud. I'm not going to get much more in the canister because I think I did a pretty darn good job cleaning it up. But after I did it, I said, why don't I share this with you guys, So pretty cool accessory. Inexpensive. Really not much. Sorry about all the camera banging and stuff. But nice accessory. Definitely this can be a fire hazard, right? So it's pretty helpful. And if you thought our video helped you in any way, our short video, well, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. Follow us on social media up there. Check out our new Tesla channel. And if you want to subscribe to Tech Made Easy, click that round Tech Made Easy logo right there. And we hope you join the family. Guys, have a wonderful day.